Welcome to Theme Park HD, where we bring you the latest and greatest at the theme parks, special events, experiences, and even some sports. Join us as we bring you our midsummer update on the new Giga dive coaster going in at Six Flags Over Texas in 2026, along with the flyover of the freshly painted Titan and more. Let's go! As we enter from the west side of the park, we immediately meet the refreshed Titan Hypercoaster with the blue track and white supports. If you remember, when the Titan was opened in 2001, the original color theming was an orange track with teal blue supports. The new blue and theme colors support the new Lone Star State theme, as well as with a newly painted ride house over a portion of the track. As we pan around the Titan, we remind you that this coaster is the Titan of Texas, currently the tallest and fastest in the state, standing at a whopping 245 feet and with top speeds at 85 miles per hour. As we transition into the active work site for the upcoming new Giga Dive coaster that will open here at Six Flags Over Texas in 2026, we prelude by showing the Dr. Diabolical Cliffhanger dive coaster that was recently opened at the other property Six Flags owns here in San Antonio, Texas at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas. Now, the Cliffhanger only stands at 150 feet and maxes out at 65 miles per hour, but it takes home the world's steepest drop at a 95-foot dive. Six Flags has already came out and stated that the new Giga Dive coaster going in here at Six Flags Over Texas will stand at 309 feet and will also carry its own World Something Coaster title, whatever that may be. Given how big the track is, as seen in the photos, given how we do everything bigger in Texas, this is going to be high and wide. As we dive deeper into the attraction site, take notice that the dirt pads is where both the Lava Bora and El Diablo rides historically sat that have now been removed. Now look and see where they are drilling the supports in the now blocked off parking lot, as well as follow the construction fencing that goes around the perimeter and the storage lots. This is going to be one huge ride. As we fly over the parked storage lot, take notice of the color schemes with a tan and brown track and steely gray supports. Rumors has this ride slots into another Texas heritage theming, paying homage to the cowboy realm while fitting into the country Spain portfolio. Shall we say Vaquero or El Toro? As we head more into the park, On display near the old entrance to the Lava Boar bobsled is a piece of the Giga track on display for park attendees to see. Great way to pique the coaster fanatic interest, Six Flags. As we leave the 2026 Giga Dive Coaster site, we head east to fly over the park. What's interesting is that the 2025 park map on the Six Flags website is still active, yet it's yet to be updated with the removal of El Diablo and Lava Bora. Hey marketing, hello, anyone there? Well, we've made it to the southeast corner of the park, home to the DC licensed rides with the likes of Batman, Mr. Freeze, the Joker, and Riddler. Side note, you have to love the black pavement in a Texas summer. As we head back west on the northern perimeter, we pass the Superman that stands at a whopping 325 feet. No worries to you, Superman. The Giga Dive Coaster won't surpass and take your Man of Steel title here at the Six Flags over Texas. You still have a 16-foot variance to call your own. By the way, the new Superman movie comes out on July 11th. Make sure to go get a ride on this drop tower and then head to the movies. Well, as we conclude our visit after checking out the newly painted Titan as well as the new Giga Dive Coaster progress, we end with my first and some of our favorite new Texas Giant. While not the fastest, tallest, or even bumpiest anymore, the nostalgia remains strong. Well, thank you for joining Theme Park HD as we brought you the latest park updates from Six Flags over Texas. Make sure to like and subscribe to us as we continue to bring you the latest and greatest from the theme parks, experiences, special events, and even some sports. Let's go!